We haven't made any videos.
I mean, but what kind of video should we do?
I mean, I can't really think of any ideas right now. I've just been a little off since we woke up this morning to that really loud noise.
Heck.
What?
What? Turn your alarm off, dude. Turn all of them off. Do you have any more? I mean, what the
No, okay.
You sleep through every single one. Like, we didn't need any of them.
Okay, I set it off. I turned it off. I turned it off. What's the problem?
God. Oh my God.
I'm sorry. I'm
Swear to
sorry.
God. Give me your phone.
Okay.
Give it to me now.
Oh.
Finally back from the beauty show, and I'm personally still trying to recover from being woken up out of my sleep at like 5 a.m. and then 5:30 a.m. and then 6 a.m. and then 6:08 because she snoozed the alarm.
And I am very traumatized, and actually I did have to enroll in therapy, sharing a room with my boss. It's definitely not a normal thing that I thought that I would be doing.
The timer even went off and it was still the same alarm. Laughy, hee hee, ha ha.
It's not that big of a deal. Enough. Enough.